Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and welcome back to the channel. Today is 15th of March 2025, and for those who haven't subscribed to our channels, just to let you guys know, we've been doing this since 2012. You can check some of our old videos on the other channels, so make sure you subscribe to all our channels for you to get updates. We're legends in this trading, so subscribe to our channels, and we'll be giving away free stuffs, free bots. You've been watching our videos for free since 2012, so kindly hit the subscribe button to support all the channels. We have 3 channels, and we're going to be displaying this in this video as well. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 75 index. So once you log into your trading account, go to the D Trader, go to Volatility 75 index, click on it. Is it right there? Then go to the indicator here, go to trends, go to Aaron, we click on that indicator, you're going to see it right here, and go to the touch no touch. As a trade type, choose touch no touch. I set this to dark mode so you can leave your dims in the normal clean mode if you want to. So go to the minutes, set this to 4 minutes, and set the barrier offset to -34.7322. So we're going to be clicking on touch once this is going up and the green is right above the red. So you can see the green is right down, is below the red, so the green must be right above the red. It's right above it, and they're both going up. You see the top one is also facing up, so that's when you click on touch. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. You see we already won that trade here. We made 7.14. so we're going to trade again. So before we place our next trade, let me just watch this. So we're using the indicator right here. We're using the buy sell indicator. I'm online, so there's a trade that is in profit, because I didn't check regularly. Some might have been in profit, but I'm checking off and on. So once they hit profit and I'm satisfied with the profit, I'll close each trade. Because I'm online, I'm trading manually. You can see I didn't set the stop loss and take profits right there because I'm online. So we're still giving away this indicator for free for those who want it. This indicator works on Deriv MT5, and it works on all Forex broker platforms that support MT5, and you can use this to trade all pairs: volatility, crash and boom, Forex, EU, USD, USD, CHF, all Forex pairs as well. And it's not a cloud-based indicator. You don't have to subscribe, just attach it to the chart, and when it shows this blue, light blue, you buy. When it shows the purple, you sell. That's how it pretty works. But you have to stay online. One is in profit there. I can close it, but I want more profit, maybe $20, so that's why I left it right there. So that's how it works. To get this indicator for free, we are going to display the steps to follow right here to get it for free. And for those who haven't purchased all our bots, the Touch Pepper bot is 9.99 USD. The link to order it is in the video description. We're going to display that soon. And the Pips Super bot as well is 7.99 USD. The link to order it is also in the video description. Check the video description. We're also giving away free bots, and we're giving away free indicator when you order any of our bots as well. You also get some free ebooks and free Forex trading bot as well. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links. The link to get a free indicator, you have to follow this step here. Check the video description. You must sign up for a trading account using this link, and subscribe to our 3 channels. Those are the channels. Check the video description, and you have to send an email with the subject free indicator to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account that you just signed up. So once we verify your sign up, we're going to send the indicator to you at no cost. And for those who already have a trading account, you can click on this link to order the indicator for $12. And for the binary Pips Super board, has a link to order it. The Tusk Paper board as well, has a link to order the Tusk Paper board right here. So here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. And the links to subscribe to our channels are also right there. Subscribe to all our channels. There are other infos as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So let's place one more trade. So you can see, let's watch again because we just come right back here. So let's wait for both to go up and the green to go right above the red. The red is still right above the green. So the green is right above the red, and they're up. This one is facing up, so I've clicked on touch right there. So we're going to wait for the outcome of this trade right here. So you can actually sell when you hit profit, but we're going to win regardless, so you don't have to sell. So the trade is going to close soon because we already closed. There we're on the profit right there. You can see. Okay, that's it. You can see we won that trade, so you can go on and on and on. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.